Angular signals are reactive, but how do you automatically respond when they change? That's where the effect function comes in. The effect function automatically tracks any signals you read inside it. When those signals change, the effect reruns itself. You don't need to manually subscribe or unsubscribe. Angular handles all the dependency tracking for you. Just read the signals inside the effect callback, and Angular wires up the reactivity automatically. Effects are specifically designed for side effects. Things like logging to the console, manipulating the DOM directly, syncing data with local storage, or triggering analytics events. Basically, any action that reaches outside the normal Angular data flow is a perfect use case for effects. When you create an effect, it runs at least once immediately. This initial run establishes which signals the effect depends on. Angular watches those signals and then reruns the effect whenever any of them change. Effects run asynchronously, typically in a microtask after change detection completes. This prevents infinite loops and keeps your app performant. If your effect needs cleanup, like cancelling a subscription or clearing a timer, you can use the onCleanup callback to handle that safely before the next run. Remember, use effect when you need automatic reactive side effects. Practice this concept on Interview Mentor to master Angular signals. Want to get better at answering questions like this? With Interview Mentor, you practice real interview questions out loud. You get personalized feedback and a grade on every answer, and you can track your improvement over time.